People, here's a quick notice. This voice is not automated, and this voice is not recorded at the same time. That's why we hear his voice right now. We now may start. Here we are at the elevators at the lift. Here we are at the lift at Penn Mall. Let's go in. Hopefully we don't get stuck now. In China. I forgot to say it's in China. Okay, what floor should we go? Ladies and gentlemen, please read the chat logs. These doors are messed up. Sorry, people, if I put these wrong. I hope I don't get stuck. I hope I don't get stuck. Oh no, what's this blur? Romania, please. Romania, please edit this. Sorry for that. Oh my god. This lift or elevator, key W lift. Yeah, I don't know what to say. So slow. God, wait, this is so slow. Who decided to automate this lift? So slow. One at 3. What was that? Slow door! Just hurry up and open! Oh my god, sorry if you hear some noise. Okay. This angle is so old. Okay. Why are we not moving? It's not moving. It's not moving. Oh no, I'm stuck. Or should I fast forward this? Dumb alarm sound. Hate that so much whenever it acts like that. I can't even sit. Oh, look at that. I don't even have commands. Like in the other game I had commands. I gotta go to sleep. Oh, this floor smells like pee. Okay, I can't even sleep. People, if you just notice, take a look. Take a look around. Yeah, take a look around. Notice it's in the elevator. Look at that. Elevator 777. I didn't even notice that. And this elevator is so slow. It's so weird. Tram take, did not notice this. But before we get into the video, Romania, please just enter the video and edit it more because I use Screencast-O-Matic to do this. Okay, let's just go back into the video. Oh, I got jumped. Why did I have to jump? You can't even sleep. Oh my god. My friend joins? Nah, he's not joining for real. He's not even joining. Sorry if you hear some talking. They just got home. He does not join. She does not join. I'm sorry if you hear people talking in the Yeah, it's so loud. Well, my friend doesn't join, and I don't have no sis, so I don't know why I put that there. Yeah, in this residential area where my thing is. I don't know why I put sis because I don't have one. Look how much people are joining. Like I don't understand. You scroll. Look. Look at the beginning. Look. Take a look. The angle is broken, so let's go. Okay. Look at this. Okay. Wait. Okay, let's go back to the video. Ah, he does not. Ah, I don't understand. Like my sis? No, not my friend. Just kidding. Just kidding. You can't even understand what the reason is. I think I'm gonna fast forward later. Not at me. Try. I'm, I'm gonna try again. Nope. Ah! Who's gonna break me out this lift? I'm fast forward. I can't fast forward on screencast. Just kidding. I can't even do that. Fast forward done already? Oh, I can't do that. Let me try again. Finally, it moves. Yes, it moves. This video better be done at this point. I'm gonna 777. We all hate you. Ah, that button was so broken. Yes, we're getting out the lift. It's just me. We're getting out the lift. Oh, please. Get me out this baby. I hate it. Slow doors. Just beat me. I hate it. Just get me out of too. I don't. Pen Park, fix your lift or elevator. Ah. Ooh, we are done. Ooh, we are done once and for all. Bye. Bye, people. I like getting stuck in lifts after that vid. Bye.